If you ever turn up to a job only to find the site isn't ready, materials haven't arrived, or another tradie is still working, this video is for you. Because most delays don't happen because you are slow. They happen because the project wasn't managed properly before you got there. Today, we are going through the project management checklist every tradie should know. Whether you are working on residential homes, renovations, or commercial jobs, these simple checks can save you time, reduce stress, and keep your jobs moving. The first thing every tradie should check is whether the job is actually ready to start. It sounds obvious, but this is where a lot of time gets wasted. Access to the property, required permits or approvals, site power and water, materials delivered, drawings and applications. One phone call the day before can save hours of downtime. Because once you're on site, every minute waiting is money lost. One of the biggest frustrations for tradies is arriving ready to work, only to find another trade isn't finished. That creates a domino effect. You lose a half day, the next job gets pushed back, your whole schedule starts falling apart. Good project management means confirming every handover before you arrive. Is the previous stage complete? Has it been inspected? Is the area clear? Simple questions. Big difference. Another common problem is unclear information. You're standing on site, trying to work out measurements, finishes, or client changes that usually leads to mistakes. Before starting, make sure you have current drawings, latest revisions, material selections, scope of work, variation approvals. If something is not clear, ask before you start. It's much cheaper than fixing it later. Next, don't assume everything you need will be there before leaving the site. Check, are our materials delivered? Are specialized tools available? Has anything changed since yesterday? One missing item can stop an entire day's work. Professional tradies don't just prepare for the jobs. They prepare for what could go wrong. Good communication prevents expensive mistakes. Before starting, everyone should know who's responsible, what's happening today, are there client changes, are there inspection requirements, are there access restrictions. Most project issues aren't technical, they are communication problems. Keeping everyone informed keeps projects moving. Before leaving the site, take 10 minutes to review the day. Ask yourself, what got completed? What still needs attention? Are materials needed for tomorrow? Has the client been updated? Have today's changes been documented? Those 10 minutes today can save hours tomorrow. Notice something? None of these checklist items involve picking up a tool because the project management isn't about doing the physical work. It's about making sure the work can happen without unnecessary delays. The smoother the project runs, the more productive your day becomes. Less waiting, less rework, less frustration. More time actually doing what you are paid to do. This is exactly why many tradies are now working with remote project management support. At SCALEUP Smart, our project management teams help keep everything organized behind the scenes. Scheduling, trade coordination, documentation, progress tracking, client communication. So when you arrive on site, everything is already moving. You are not chasing information, you are getting the job done. The best tradies don't just work hard, they work with good systems. Because every hour spent waiting, every unnecessary trip, every missed detail comes straight off your profit. If you want your jobs to run smoother, start with better project management. And if you would like to see how remote project management support could fit into your business, book a free discovery call with SCALEUP Smart or check the links in the description below to learn more.